Alright, let's see what we got here. This, I believe, will be the billet rear subframe. And it's attaching hardware. This will be the back support for the left-hand bag. Here's the muffler. The nice thing about these mufflers is it's not just your typical round stock. This is all billet. This is all machined billet and all hand welded. The caps, and as you can see, it has a baffle, or not a baffle, but has all this packing inside. So it's not just a straight muffler. Got a Y pipe here. Again, all hand welded, all stainless. Our new gaskets, straight from Polaris. And piece resistance. Full exhaust. So, one thing that they're doing now is they're already pre-assembling this whole system, or at least this front part. So you don't have to worry about putting the shields on or this clamp. So basically we're gonna put the Y pipe on with the springs, throw the muffler on after we put the subframe on, and we're good to go.